Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is my second video on the Yuneec Breeze 4K, and I now want to present a carbon fiber looking finish or skin for the Breeze. If you haven't seen my first video, I invite you to look at it because I'm going to cover in that video in details the quality of the finish of the Breeze, the controller, the charger, and the battery. So you need to look at that in my opinion. So now I want to open this. This is from Vision Science and Graphics. I got this on Amazon for about $20. So let's open the envelope. All right, I cannot wait to see what's inside. As you can see, it is still sealed. I haven't looked yet. So this is a very stiff, sturdy envelope. They obviously want the skin to stay in good condition. And what do we have here? Okay, so wow, and this is okay. That's the whole thing. Okay, we have here instructions. It's the Mighty Skins. You might see that when you do a search on Amazon or eBay. Mighty Skins. They have skins, as you can see, for phones, laptop, controller, gaming controllers, some bins here, and also audio equipment. Then here they explain how to install the skin. And I have here, yeah, the skin here. It says here, Mighty Skins, and for the Yuneec Breeze 4K. It's the white carbon fiber finish, and as you can see here, I'm trying to show that here. Hopefully the camera will do a good focus. Nice finish. And I don't know what this is here. Oh, this is the under, maybe for under or for the battery. I'm not sure. We'll look at that. So I'm going to install this on the drone by following these 3 steps, and I'll come back in a minute. I just thought I should show the drone before and after. So this is before. So as you can see, just a plain white finish. And this is after. It looks great in a distance, but it's not easy to apply. If you have some experience with vinyl skin, it will help you, but the first time is difficult. I'm not sure if I'll be able to focus nearby here, but when you have rounded shapes and you have a lot in the Breeze 4K drone, it's difficult. You use the credit card technique here to flatten the surface. But you can see here, for example, around the button here, it's difficult to have a very flat finish. And it comes with strips. I'll show you here, like 4 little strips like this, which I did not install. I believe they come over here on the sides, so I didn't do that. And I did one here to show you. This round here will actually cover the hole for the prop guard. So I did not install the rest here because I'm flying these days my drone indoor and I want to install my guard. So I'm going to remove this part here. So as you can see here, it does not cover, like the bottom here, it doesn't cover the whole craft. But like I said, from a distance, it looks nice, but again, in closing, it's not easy to apply. If you have some experience, like I said, with vinyl skin, it will help a great deal. So thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day. Goodbye.